Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Are you ready to discover the power of synchronicities in your life? These meaningful coincidences are more than just random occurrences. They are signs and symbols from the universe, guiding and directing us on our life path. In this video, we'll explore the various ways synchronicities appear in our lives, how to decipher their meaning, and how to use them as a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. So get ready to tap into the magic of the universe and start manifesting your dreams into reality. Synchronicities are those seemingly random events that seem to have a deeper, meaningful connection to our lives. They might be a series of numbers that keep appearing in your daily routine, a coincidence that feels too coincidental to be true, or a feeling of déjà vu that can't be explained. These occurrences might seem small or insignificant at first, but they can often hold a powerful message or symbol that is relevant to our current life situation. Synchronicities are not just random occurrences. They are signs and symbols from the universe, guiding and directing us on our life path. Whether you believe in a higher power or the power of the universe, synchronicities can serve as a kind of guidance system, helping us to navigate the twists and turns of life. They can help us to make sense of the events and experiences that shape our lives and can offer insight into our deeper purpose and potential. Paying attention to synchronicities can be a powerful way to tap into the magic and mystery of the universe. By being open and aware to these meaningful coincidences, we can begin to see patterns and connections in our lives that we may have previously missed. We can also use synchronicities as a tool for personal growth and transformation by interpreting the messages and symbols that they contain and using them to guide our actions and decisions. By paying attention to synchronicities, we can connect with the present moment and our true selves in a deeper, more meaningful way. There are many different ways that synchronicities can appear in our lives, and each person's experience with synchronicities will be unique. Some common examples include repeating numbers. Seeing the same number or sequence of numbers repeatedly can be a sign of synchronicity. These numbers may have a special meaning or significance to you, or they may simply be a way for the universe to get your attention. Meaningful coincidences. These are events or circumstances that seem too unlikely to be a coincidence, but that also have a deeper meaning or significance. For example, you might run into an old friend in a place where you least expect it, or you might find a book that speaks directly to a question or problem you are currently facing. Déjà vu experiences. The feeling of déjà vu, or already seen, can be a powerful synchronicity. It can indicate that you are on the right path or that you are meant to pay attention to a particular event or experience. The role of our subconscious and higher self in creating synchronicities. Synchronicities often originate from our subconscious mind or higher self and can be seen as a way for these parts of ourselves to communicate with us. Our subconscious mind holds all of our thoughts, feelings, and memories, and can often be a source of insight and guidance. Similarly, our higher self is thought to be the part of ourselves that is connected to the universe and to a higher power. By creating synchronicities, our subconscious and higher self can offer us guidance and support on our life path. To fully tap into the power of synchronicity, it is important to be open and aware to noticing them in our lives. This means being present and mindful in each moment, and being willing to pay attention to the signs and symbols that the universe is sending our way. It also means being open to the possibility that there is more to life than what we can see and understand with our five senses. By being open and aware to synchronicity, we can connect with the magic and mystery of the universe and tap into a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. One of the most exciting aspects of synchronicity is that they often contain hidden messages and symbols that can offer insight and guidance on our life path. Deciphering these messages and symbols can be a rewarding and transformative process, as it allows us to connect with our subconscious and higher self in a deeper way. To begin deciphering the messages and symbols in synchronicities, it can be helpful to keep a journal of the synchronicities that you notice. Write down the details of the event or experience, as well as any feelings or thoughts that come up for you. You can also try asking yourself questions such as, what is the message or symbol in this synchronicity? How does it relate to my current situation or goals? How can I use this message or symbol to guide my actions and decisions? It can also be helpful to seek guidance from trusted sources such as books, mentors, or spiritual practices. These resources can offer insight and support as you work to understand the messages and symbols in your synchronicities. Synchronicities can be a powerful tool for making decisions and taking action in our lives. By paying attention to the messages and symbols in synchronicities, we can gain clarity and direction on our path. For example, if you are faced with a difficult decision and keep seeing the number 111, this might be a sign that it is time to let go of the past and move forward. Or if you keep encountering the same book or person repeatedly, this might be a sign that you are meant to pay attention to this experience or message. To use synchronicities as guidance, it is important to be open and receptive to their messages and to trust in the process. This means letting go of control and allowing the universe to guide and direct you. It also means being willing to take action based on the guidance you receive. Trusting in the process can be challenging, but it is a crucial step in tapping into the power of synchronicity and manifesting your dreams into reality. Synchronicities can play a powerful role in personal growth and transformation. By paying attention to the messages and symbols in synchronicity, we can gain insight into our deeper selves and our purpose in life. We can also use synchronicities as a tool for making positive changes in our lives by taking action based on the guidance we receive. Personal growth and transformation can be a challenging process, but synchronicities can offer support and encouragement along the way. By being open and receptive to their messages, we can connect with the present moment and our true selves in a deeper way. We can also learn to trust in the process of life and let go of control, allowing the universe to guide and direct us on our path. Overall, synchronicities can be a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation, helping us to tap into the magic and mystery of the universe and live our lives to the fullest. One of the best ways to work with synchronicities is to keep a journal of the meaningful coincidences that you notice in your life. By writing down the details of each synchronicity, you can create a record of the messages and symbols that the universe is sending your way. This can be a valuable tool for deciphering the meanings of synchronicities and for tracking your progress and growth. In addition to recording the details of each synchronicity, it can also be helpful to reflect on your experiences and feelings. What did you notice about the synchronicity? How did it make you feel? What insights or guidance did it offer? By taking the time to reflect on your synchronicity, you can gain a deeper understanding of their meanings and how they relate to your life. Another way to work with synchronicities is to ask for clarification and guidance through meditation and intention setting. Meditation can be a powerful tool for connecting with your subconscious and higher self and can help you to tap into the messages and symbols in synchronicities. To use meditation as a tool for working with synchronicities, try setting an intention before your meditation practice. This might be a question or a request for guidance on a particular issue or decision. Then, as you meditate, allow yourself to be open and receptive to any messages or symbols that come through. You might try using visualization techniques or repeating a mantra to help focus your mind and connect with your inner wisdom. In addition to meditation, setting intentions can also be a powerful way to ask for guidance and clarification from the universe. To set an intention, simply choose a specific goal or desire and focus your thoughts and energy on manifesting it into reality. You can set your intention through visualization, writing, or speaking out loud. The key is to be specific, clear, and focused in your intention, and to trust in the process of manifestation. One of the most important aspects of working with synchronicities is learning to trust in the process and let go of control. This means being open and receptive to the messages and symbols that the universe is sending your way, and being willing to take action based on this guidance. It also means being willing to let go of the need to control outcomes and to trust that the universe has a plan for you. Trusting in the process can be challenging, especially when we are faced with difficult decisions or uncertain circumstances. However, by letting go of control and allowing the universe to guide and direct us, we can tap into a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. We can also open ourselves up to new experiences and opportunities that we may not have been able to see or imagine before. Trusting in the process is a key step in working with synchronicity and manifesting our dreams into reality. Synchronicities are not just one-time occurrences. They are a continuous presence in our lives, offering guidance and support on our journey. By paying attention to synchronicities and interpreting their messages and symbols, we can stay connected to the present moment and to our true selves. We can also use synchronicities as a tool for personal growth and transformation by taking action based on the guidance we receive. As we continue to pay attention to synchronicity, we may notice patterns and connections in our lives that we may have previously missed. We may also gain a deeper understanding of our purpose and potential and may feel more aligned with our true selves. Overall, the ongoing role of synchronicities in our lives can be a powerful way to connect with the magic and mystery of the universe and to live our lives to the fullest. Another powerful aspect of synchronicities is their ability to connect us to the present moment and to our true selves. By paying attention to the signs and symbols in our lives, we can tap into a deeper sense of awareness and connection with the present moment. We can also gain insight into our deeper selves and our purpose in life, and can learn to trust in the process of life. By connecting with the present moment and our true selves through synchronicity. We can also cultivate a sense of peace and contentment. We can learn to let go of the past and the future, and to be fully present and engaged in each moment. This can help us to live more authentically, and to connect with the magic and mystery of the universe. Paying attention to and interpreting the signs and symbols in our lives is a crucial step in working with synchronicities. By doing so, we can tap into the guidance and support that the universe is offering us. We can also use synchronicities as a tool for personal growth and transformation by taking action based on the guidance we receive. Paying attention to and interpreting the signs and symbols in our lives can also help us to connect with the present moment and our true selves in a deeper way. We can learn to let go of the past and the future, and to be fully present and engaged in each moment. This can help us to live more authentically, and to connect with the magic and mystery of the universe. Overall, the importance of paying attention to and interpreting the signs and symbols in our lives cannot be overstated, as it is a key step in tapping into the power of synchronicity and manifesting our dreams into reality. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of synchronicities. I hope that this exploration has sparked your curiosity and opened your mind to the power of meaningful coincidences in your life. Remember, synchronicities are more than just random events. They are signs and symbols from the universe, guiding and directing us on our life path. By paying attention to and interpreting these signs and symbols, we can tap into the magic and mystery of the universe and connect with our true selves in a deeper, more meaningful way. So keep an eye out for the synchronicities in your life, and don't be afraid to trust in the process and let go of control. Remember, the universe has a plan for you, and by paying attention to synchronicity, you can stay connected to the present moment and your true self, and manifest your dreams into reality. Thank you again for joining me on this journey. I hope that you will continue to explore the power of synchronicities in your life, and that you will find the guidance and support that you need on your path. Until next time, take care and stay connected to the magic and mystery of the universe. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.